Meaning of figurine.
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 Figurine. A figurine is a small, decorative sculpture that represents a human, animal, or mythical creature. They are typically made from materials such as ceramic, plastic, or metal and are often used as collectibles or for ornamental purposes. Figurines can range in size from just a few centimeters to several inches tall, and can be found in a variety of styles and designs. They are popular among collectors and are often sold in specialty stores or online marketplaces. Overall, figurines serve as miniature representations of something larger, and are appreciated for their beauty and attention to detail.